Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the earbuds and phone. Make sure the battery is adequate because the app requires a stable connection. Once the companion app is installed, open it and allow Bluetooth permissions. This lets the app find your model. If the app shows a pairing step, complete it now. Make sure the earbuds appear as the active device. You want the app to display device settings before proceeding, so pause until the name and firmware are visible. Once done, navigate to device settings or controls. This is where touch behavior lives. You will see touch or gesture settings. Tap that and read the brief descriptions so you know which gestures are affected. Then use the provided on/off toggle or a dedicated switch labeled Disable Touch Controls to turn the feature off. Make sure you press Save or Apply. Some apps ask you to confirm and push the setting to the earbuds, so wait for the success message before closing the app. The final step is verification. Test the earbuds by tapping the areas that used to respond. You should see no actions now. If touches still work, make sure the app shows the latest firmware, perform an update, and then reapply the disable toggle. If the setting will not stick, perform a factory reset on the earbuds per the app or quick button procedure, repair and disable touch again. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer support with your model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.